So I came to look. There's nothing there, but I didn't care. At least I have the feeling. At least I'm here. Why is everyone running away? I find it hard just like every day, but I don't know why all this works. I thought I'd start overall, something that wasn't really there. But I never get here. At least I have finally had. Finally got the feeling. Why is everyone running away? I find it hard just like every day, but I don't know why all this works. Why is everyone running away? I find it hard just like every day, but I don't know why all this works.